Astilbe, agroplants.org, also known as false spirea or false goat beard. So this hibiscus rhizome plant, perennial evergreen or deciduous in colder climate. It's used as ornamental. The flowers can be fragrant and it can be a cut flower plant. If you would like to grow it, there is a link below. Link is the right top side, and if you purchase, this is donation for this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It's really helped me to continue and make and create more videos. You can grow it in different kind of climate. Usually better in the temperate, just grow much better. Also in Mediterranean and subtropical it's possible, or even as a houseplant. This is lovely to grow it as a houseplant because it's beautiful flowers. Hardiness zone will be better from 4 to 10A, possible with amazing care in hardiness zone of 10B if you don't have a crazy summer. The leaves are green, not something special, and the flowers that are fragrant can be red, white, pink, burgundy, purple, cream, yellow or orange. Can be more than one color. It's small flowers that grow in pyramid shape or just cones. It's a lot of little cones that create pyramid. This is depend which species or something like this. So how to grow in care? So be aware that it's in cold climate. If you have too much hot summers, it's possible to grow because it's grow here, but it's very it's not grow well. Better to put it on this mulch and in warm summer area. Choose the most coldest point in the garden and in full shade. Require rich soil and organic matter, and to keep the soil moist, just add more mulch. Except this, if you have heavy soil, you should mix it with something lighter. Put fertilizer once a year before blooming season will be better. And in hardiness zone of 4 to 6, better to put mulch in the winter, protect the plants. You can start to grow it by plant seeds or just cutting. It's not must to start by cutting, and possible to grow it from seeds because it's easy. But the major things that you need to know that this plant dislike transplant. I don't know why, but if you choose to transfer the plant, be aware that autumn or early spring will be the best. So it's weird, but some plants are not react very well for moving in the garden. So planting season will be spring to summer. Be aware that it won't be in hot days because might die. Check the temperature. You can check 10 days before, so just check it. It's much better. Possible to plant it in the autumn to the winter, but not in hardiness zone of 4 to 6, too much cold. If you start to grow it in hardiness zone of 10B, better to do it in the autumn, after the hot days. Except these major pests are thrips, aphids, leaf spot. Pruning will be in the winter, and that usually it's just for design and dead flowers. Height of the plant will be 20 to 60 centimeters, so it's been 8 to 24 inches, and in the right condition it's a fast growing plant. Hardiness zone of 10B, even slow growing plant. Water requirement will be average amount of water or too big amount of water. The plants need a big amount of water, but this plant doesn't like wet soil or puddles, so it depends the drainage. So if you have really good drainage in the soil, better to have a big amount of water. If not, reduce the amount of water. If you see that you have too much puddles in your garden next to this plant, just make like raising bed or something like this that will prevent the root be rotten. In light condition it will be half shade, but in the area with a really hot summer, it will be burned in the summer. So better full shade, and this is the reason that you can grow it also as a houseplant, because it grow well with full shade, with light of course. If you choose to grow it in a container, choose a soil that will be well-drained soil. Potting mix will be good, but need to make enough holes, and every few years just switch the soil. It will be better. The soil loses viability after a few years, and this is a problem. Blooming season can be from spring to the autumn, and except this, to grow it from seeds, better to start directly in the location. In the early spring will be better, or even in the winter. Seeds need before sowing, burying, it means chilling hours, moist soil, half shade to full shade, depends on the location. And better to sow it in the spring, as I said. Usually planting spacing 30 on 40 centimeters, so it's been 12 on 16 inches. The depth of the seeds sowing will be like 1 centimeter, so it's 0.5 inches. And condition for germination will be moist soil, high humidity. Require average amount of water, don't overwater and don't let it dry. Usually it's take between 2 and to 6 weeks in order to germinate. And except this, it's beautiful plant. There is beautiful varieties with beautiful flowers. You need to choose whatever fit, and if you grow it in a, let's say, hardiness zone of 10B or even 10A, there is some species that won't react very well for this kind of condition. It will be too much hot, so choose something that will fit for your location. It will be much better. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course, if you have any question, just ask. You have here links about more videos, some lists, subscribe, and of course purchase a plant, and this is donation for our channel. I hope you enjoy and come visit us again.